Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Install Sygic from your App Store and grant storage and location permissions. Open the app and accept the required location and background permissions now. Tap the menu and choose Offline Maps to begin downloading. Select the country or region you need, then press Download using Wi-Fi to save data. Note that maps commonly require 50 to 300 MB per country, depending on detail. Download optional offline voices separately if you want voice guidance without cellular data. Keep enough free storage before starting downloads. Before you travel, enable offline mode in Sygic settings to prevent cellular data use. Create and save your route while you still have signal to avoid recalculation delays later. Verify that the required map files show as installed in Offline Maps and check for any missing regions. Choose whether to store maps on internal storage or on an SD card in storage settings. Disable automatic updates when you want to control downloads and data usage. Keep background app refresh limited to conserve battery while navigating offline. Update downloaded maps regularly, ideally every 2 to 4 weeks before long trips. Back up the Sygic folder to your computer or to an SD card to preserve purchased maps. Manage map storage by deleting regions you no longer need to free up space quickly. Enable battery saver mode and close other apps to extend navigation time while offline. Import GPX files or saved routes before travel when you require custom waypoints or tracks. Finally, test a full offline route at home to confirm voice guidance and lane assist function correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.